Well, hello, my joyful subbies. Welcome back to my channel. It is your girl, Joy Fuller, the chief crafter for the Joyful Designs brand, here to bring you another DIY. So if DIYs on a budget is what you're looking for, then keep watching. And as always, it's time to craft. Let's go. Let's go, guys. So I am not going to do much commentary because I am nursing my shoulder back to health from this surgery I had on Tuesday. And for all of you that prayed for me, thank you so much, because overall I'm feeling great. I am having some pain, but not a lot. Just can't really do much of movement right now. But anyway, what you see me doing, I basically took this accent rug that I purchased from the Dollar Tree, folded it in half, added a little fold to the top portion of the rug on both sides, and I am going, as you can see, to burn the frays off of this jute rope that I purchased from the Dollar Tree, as this will become the hangers for my tote bag. That's right, I am creating a tote bag out of this accent rug. So guys, sit back and just watch, and as I get ready to add another embellishment to it, I'll chime right back in. By the way, guys, I did use some fabric glue sticks for this piece for extra hold. And now you see me taking this beautiful lace ribbon. I actually purchased this from Temu for like, I think $1.12, and it was the perfect length across as it fit the piece from end to end. And now I am just using a little mascara or makeup tool to secure the hot glue onto the piece. Now you see me taking these buttons that you can find at the Dollar Tree. Usually they're kept at the front registers, but I am going to add 3 to one side and 3 to the other. Guys, I pray that you've had a blessed week. As I stated, I had to have surgery on my shoulder, and I will be out of commission for about 6 weeks. However, I do have videos I just need to do the voiceover for, and this one was so simple, it doesn't take much commentary. So I just wanted you guys to just listen to the music and enjoy the content. Now you see where I am just creating the handles, and I will be gluing the rope on either side on the edge of each piece. Just remember, what you do to one side, you want to do to the other. This came out so pretty in person. I am going to redo the handles, because now that I have a shoulder injury, I now know in order to carry this piece, I need a little more support, because this is a rug, so it is very thick. Therefore, I need to add some cushion to it. So I'm going to change the straps altogether. But overall, this piece turned out amazing. And you guys got to let me know what you think in the comment section. Unfortunately, I didn't have a model, so I just hung it up like a wall hanging. I want to welcome all of my new subscribers to the channel, as well as my returning subscribers. I pray that you all have had a blessed week, and I pray that the week ahead is even better. And thank you so much for rocking with your girl and becoming a part of the Joyful Designz family. And as you can see, I'm just making sure that the straps are down, glued down firmly and securely. And I did a little bit of modeling right there. That was pre-surgery. And guys, here's the reveal. You gotta tell me what you think of this piece. Would you have made it smaller? What would you have done? Until the next DIY, guys, be blessed, and I'll talk to you soon. Remember to smile. It increases your face value. Bye now.